everyone, good morning. Today is Saturday, the last month of January, the last day of the month of January. Tomorrow is the first day of February. It's almost coming Valentine's. Oh, today I am busy. Saturday, washing the clothes, cooking, cleaning. So today I have done washing the white clothes. So I put in the dryer now. And also subscribe. Subscribe po kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Salamat po yung mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe. Subscribe. Salamat po yung mga nag-subscribe. Thank you. This is all white clothes. I put in the dryer. Ang hirap po ng kalagayan po ng mga babae po dito sa Amerika kasi you are working at the house, everything inside the house, you are clean, cooking, washing, and then after that, you can go to work also, not like in the Philippines if you are having like nanny, katulong, but here in the US, no katulong. So everything you can do it here in the US. What's that? Oh, I did not take out. Oh my God. I did not take out the paper. I sweep the floor later. I sweep the floor. Later I sweep the floor. time to sweep the floor. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless to everyone. Salamat po. Love you all.